Who's talking and where are they? Oh, there he is. Did we get it?
And you have our attention.
Here we go, the epic speech of what is to become of our young lives.
Okay, the fire department has located the problem. It is fixed. In a few seconds, what we're going to have you do is you're going to go back to your second hour class, get your stuff.
Lame.
We'll give you a few minutes, and then we're going to get back right to third hour. Okay? I do have some good news. I do have some good news. I just saved a ton of money by switching my insurance to geico.
I was hoping you was going to say everybody got free cookies.
Go back to second hour. Get your stuff.